Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. Have you heard of healing patches for your feet? I host dinner parties where I'm a crazy woman running around. It takes me all day on my feet to cook for all my friends. And it hurts my feet. I can't even sleep at night. It hurts so bad. There are so many acupressure points in your feet that my remedy had always been walking on the beach and having all those particles of sand hit all those places on my feet to give me that relaxation. But I don't always want to be on my feet. So I put these patches on my feet and go to bed. I feel great in the morning. Derma Relax Healing Patch perks me up. And by the next morning, I feel fine. And if you're a parent, keep them in your medicine cabinet because you're going to want them for your ballerina or maybe your kid that plays tennis and is running around on the court. What about a skateboarder? They're doing a lot of jumping and pranks off that board, which is high impact for their feet. And playing baseball, playing sports, all of that is so tough on the feet. And maybe you jog or you have a friend that jogs. This would be a great present for someone that you have to listen to complain about how tired and sore their feet are or how their muscles hurt from all their workouts. These effects are far-reaching throughout the body. But I was interested because of how tired and sore my feet are, especially if I work all day in my kitchen or doing other things in my life that gets me out in the world. My feet hurt by the time I come home at night, so I can put these patches on and even walk around the house with them. You can even put them on before you go to work and keep them on your feet so you can get through that long day at the office or in your kitchen, as the case may be. You simply put the patches on, and that's it. It's so easy. They self-adhere. Now time to put the socks on and continue with your busy day. On my channel, I cover every aspect of life, and feeling good is one of them that's most important, because how can you do your life if you don't feel good? Comment and tell me about your feet. Do you know what I'm talking about? Thumbs up this video if you can relate to trying to get through life feeling well. On my health and wellness journey, Derma Relax Healing Patch has been an integral part on making me feel well. I'm glad I can share this with you. It's an Eastern type of medicine that really works to revitalize your feet, your legs, your body, even hangovers. MEDITHERAPY is the maker and manufactures in Korea and technically cooperates with pharmaceutical companies in Japan. And it's tested by the FDA, which is an American certified institute. Click the link to get your Derma Relax Healing Patch by MEDITHERAPY. What an innovative new way to feel better. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe to feel better all day long, starting from the foot up.